In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. The very first thing you want to do is launch your settings. Now click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Now click on the option sign out. Then wait for a few minutes and then sign in back. This will refresh your account connection. Next, go back to settings and open screen time. Then tap content and privacy restrictions. Open allowed apps. Enter your screen time passcode and make sure all the apps are enabled. After that, go to content restrictions, tap apps and select allow all apps to ensure nothing is being blocked. If that does not help, return to main settings page and open the App Store section. Under mobile data, tap app downloads and set it to always allow. If the issue continues, swipe down to open your control center, turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, turn it back off, and reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data because a weak or unstable network is often the cause of failed downloads. Lastly, give a fresh restart to your device, and that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. Now you should be able to download the apps on your iPhone. At the end, if this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.